Okay, so this video I'll teach you how to bring the reference image to the Zbrush workspace. So let me take one. You can bring your head model something. So okay, I'll take this right. So now I like to match exactly according to the reference image. So you should know how to bring the image plane or reference image model front and side to the Zbrush workspace. So for that, go to the draw menu. So under draw menu, you can just scroll and you can see there is under snap front and back, so you can bring the front image plane and back image plane, both you can bring. So before bringing the reference image plane, suppose you will go to the draw menu and you can see there is front and back. This is the menu you can see here. This is the tool. You can bring the front image, or you can bring the left, right, and up and down. All those things I have. But right now you can see this is not highlighting. That is the very people face the problem. So why it is not highlighting? So you have to enable the floor. So there you can see right side. You can see this floor. You can make it on. Right, floor grid should be on. Then go to the draw and check the map. Now it is highlighting. Right. So now you can click this map. Right, and you can once you click the map, then you can see your import button is shown. Okay, you can import, and I'll go to the you have to make front and side separately. So I made it that one. So I have in class header, I have separate both. So you can get many model sheets reference image from the Google, and you can make it separate. So front, I'll get it. Now you can see, but it looks very big in size. So no issues. So you can correct that. So go to the again that map and adjust scale is there. You can see you can just scale it according to our requirement. Right. So this is the my size or you want to move left or right. So you have option also to move left or right. So there is you can see you can see the horizontal offset and vertical offset is there. So there is scale, you can just make it round, maybe zero point 0.3 is fine. And vertical offset, you want to move up or down, that you can decide. Okay, this is fine. So maybe minus 0.01, right? So this is the adjustment we did, or you want to make it a little more bigger. You can make it also maybe you can go for point 4, right? 0.4 scale, right? So it's too big, 0.35. Yes, sir. 0.32, I think 0.33. Yes. So that left side image also you have to make accordingly. So let it be again let it be 0. So I think it is fitting fine. After that, you can um, change the things. So now you can see your front image is done. So according that you can just go to the zip front and you can change the um, modify the thing. So you can take the move tool, and you can make the outline correctly. So like that, we can change our outline according to the image. So it'll be easy to work if you have the image plan. Seeing the image and doing it will be not that much easy. So this is the way. And I want to bring the left side. So you have to go to the draw and again go to the left, right, and map one. Import. Sorry, draw, draw, left, right, map, and import, and we have side. So now same thing you have to do 0.33. Remember front 0.33. So scale you down make down to point 1 to 0.33. That's all. I think it's not done. I think. Right. So we can see 0.33. So now it is you can see here it is flipped it. Right. So in that case, what you can do, you have options also point. So we can go to here 0.33 vertical offset, and we have anything flip. Yes, flip is there. Right. Flip. Yes, done. So now you can see you can get some guidelines. So you can see snapping guidelines. You have eye to eye contact, if it is matching or not. So you can find out easily. So this is very easiest way to get the reference image plane and make your model according to the reference image. So hope you understand till this. And when you do model, so you can try the steps. It will be very easy to complete your model exactly. what you're looking for. Thank you.